Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 update KB5072033, not installing quickly and easily.
Fix 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter Step 1. Open Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Step 2. Click Run next to Windows Update. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions and restart your PC. Fix 2. Install Update manually. Step 1. Visit Microsoft Update Catalog. Step 2. Search for KB5072033. Step 3. Download the correct version for your PC and install it. Step 4. Restart your PC. Fix 3. Clear Windows Update cache. Step 1. Press 1 plus R, type services. MSC, press Enter. Step 2. Find Windows Update. Right-click Stop. Step 3. Go to C:\Windows\softy to redistribution \download and delete all files. Step 4. Go back to Services. Right-click Windows Update Start. Step 5. Check for updates again.